Good morning, grade 6 pupils. Today, we will be learning about the interactions among living things in coral reefs and tropical rainforests. But before that, let us have a quick review of our last topic. So our last topic is the interactions in estuaries and intertidal zones. So estuary is a place where fresh water from a river mixes with salt water from the sea. So this combination of fresh and salt water is called brackish water. So mostly makikita din natin ito sa mga sea and river na nagmi-mix yung fresh water and the salt water. So next, on the other hand, is the intertidal zone. Is that part of the coast that is covered by water during high tide but is exposed or above the water level during low tide. So makikita nyo yung sa halimbawa yung mga bato na malalaki, 'di ba, during high tide hindi nyo siya makikita, but during low tide doon na siya nagpapakita. So ang mostly yun sa may mga beaches na maraming bato na malalaki. So that is called the intertidal zone. So that is our quick review of our last topic. So our new topic is all about the interactions among living things in coral reefs and in tropical rainforests. So I will show you here. I have here our PowerPoint presentation of our new topic, which is the interactions among living things in coral reefs and tropical rainforests. So this is basically the interactions among living things and non-living things in coral reefs and tropical rainforests. So first, we have our objectives. First, discuss interactions among living things and non-living things in coral reefs and tropical rainforests. Next, explain the need to protect and conserve tropical rainforest and water ecosystem. So interaction between living things and an ecosystem. The living things in an ecosystem are interdependent. So this means that living things depend on their interactions with each other and with non-living things for survival. So for example, a tree depends on sunlight for energy to make its own food, and a snail depends on the tree for food. Just like as humans, we depend on the non-living things, which is the air, the sunlight, the water, for us to be able to survive. Just like the other animals, they depend on the non-living things for them to be able to survive also. That is the goal of this lesson, to understand the interactions between the non-living things and living things in coral reefs and tropical rainforests. Next, coral reefs. Coral reefs are the most beautiful underwater ecosystem in the sea. A reef is made by corals, soft-banded cnidarians. So I will show you here the pictures of soft-banded cnidarians with tentacles that secrete chalk-like substances, forming cups that serve as their home. So mostly makikita din natin ito, 'di ba, sa mga kung maliligo tayo sa dagat. So makikita niyo yung mga coral reefs na parang may butas-butas. So yun yung banded cnidarians. So I will show you here also the pictures. So soft corals do not form cups. Extensive colonies over the years can form mounds of reefs. So the Philippines is home to the Tobataha Reef, a World Heritage Natural Formation. So yung Tobataha Reef is makikita ito sa likod ng 1,000 peso. So ito yung Tobataha Reef. So makikita nyo dito. So yun yung Tobataha Reef, a World Heritage of Natural Formation. So yun yung sinabi ko kanina, the non-living things depend on the living things depend on the non-living things for them to be able to survive. So yung mga fishes, 'di ba, kumakain sila ng food underwater. Yung coral reefs is tirahan din nila ito for them to be able to have a shelter. So yun, the interactions between the non-living things and living things and coral reefs. So next is the tropical rainforest. So the tropical rainforest the biotic community in a forest is the tree's hardwoods like Nara, Lawan, Molave, and associated species like abaca, orchids, bamboo, vines, bats, snakes, butterflies and other insects, spider, birds, reef frogs, monitor lizards, and many more are found in the forest, or what we call the tropical rainforest. So those living things living in the tropical rainforest depend on the non-living things for them to be able to survive. So kagaya rin natin, humans, we depend on the non-living things such as the heat, the sunlight. We need the sunlight to have para magkaroon tayo ng energy or vitamins. Sa kailangan din natin ng air or yung hangin dahil hindi din tayo mabubuhay kung walang air or hangin. We need also the water for us to be able to survive. So that's the interactions between the non-living things and living things in the tropical rainforest. So that's our lesson for today. So in summary, coral reefs protect coastlines from storms and erosion, provide jobs for local communities, and offer opportunities for recreations. They are also our source of food and new medicine. So that is our coral reefs. Next is the tropical rainforest. So the resources found in tropical rainforest cannot be replaced. We are endangering the human species by destroying the tropical rainforest and hence the ecosystem and environment. So we need to protect our tropical rainforest. We need to protect also our coral reefs for us to be able to benefit from them. So that's the goal of this topic, the interactions between the non-living things and living things and coral reefs and tropical rainforest. I hope you understand the interactions between the non-living things and the living things. So I have here the activities for you to do. Unfortunately, we couldn't be able to meet face-to-face due to holiday seasons, due to activities. So I hope this video can help you understand the interactions among living things and non-living things in coral reefs and tropical rainforest. So I have here an activity. So on the blank, draw a star of the activities to protect and conserve tropical rainforest and coral reefs, moon if not. So lalagyan nyo ng star kung tama ba yung ginagawa, and lalagyan nyo ng moon if hindi tama yung ginagawa sa tropical rainforest and coral reefs. So I hope you answer those activities for you to be able to exercise your understanding about the interactions among living things and non-living things in coral reefs and tropical rainforest. So I think that's all for today for our new topic, which is the interactions among living things and non-living things in coral reefs and tropical rainforest. So see you on the next. Bye guys, bye pupils. Thank you for listening.